friends, spring break is just around the corner, so let's talk about that. Of course, many folks are going to be going somewhere warmer. If you're going to Florida, here's a live shot of Sarasota on the water, looking good. Almost 80 degrees there. Big contrast to what we're seeing in Memphis right now. Makes you want to be at the beach, doesn't it? Man, just wish you were there. And I'll tell you what, we are going to see these cooler temperatures continue in the Memphis area for the next little bit. So if you can get away, I would try to do so. It's going to be a chilly stretch of weather. We're also keeping an eye on rain chances. We had that rain this morning. That has moved out. So right now we're not seeing any rain, but we've gotten more rain on the way where that came from. This evening is going to be dry. So if you've got any plans, things look okay. We're going to be cloudy and cool. Temperatures in the 50s, so a jacket might be needed as you're headed out the door. And if you are going to be out late tonight, if you're working the late shift, you're going to be out past midnight, that is when we could start to see some rain come back in, and we will see spotty showers continue overnight and into Thursday. So more rain likely through the day tomorrow. Temperature is going to be pretty similar to today, on the cool side for sure. Highs in the 50s and low 60s. And again, off and on rain and storms going to continue pretty much all day long. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has introduced a level 1 out of 5 storm risk for tomorrow. That's mainly for northern Mississippi. A couple of storms tomorrow could pack a little more of a punch. I'm thinking some gusty winds, maybe even a little small hail. All in all, I'm not terribly concerned about this, but it is something we're watching. Certainly down in the Delta could have some stronger storms in those areas. Again, the next several hours going to be dry, but by midnight, we start to see some rain creeping back in. Tomorrow morning, likely going to feature some rain showers, and then we'll see some heavier rain come in here through the day. Notice by noon, some yellows showing up on the radar. That is where that rain is going to be coming down at a little bit of a better clip. Some breaks in the rain by the evening, but more rain coming in by Thursday night. So pretty much at any point tomorrow, we could see some rain, maybe even some thunder. And that rain could be a little bit on the heavier side at times, so the rain gear going to be needed once again tomorrow, just like it was today. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches with tomorrow's round, so we're going to keep an eye on those creeks and rivers. Those could continue to rise at least over the next couple of days as this rain continues to move through. So again, rain and storms likely tomorrow. Just keep that rain gear handy. We'll see showers kind of off and on through the day. Friday looks good though. We're going to stay chilly, highs around 60 with a few clouds. Saturday for the most part is going to be dry as well, but Saturday evening into Saturday night, we've got rain returning. We'll see rain and storms throughout the day on Sunday. And then another cool down before we even really get a chance to warm up. We're going to cool back down. 50s Monday and Tuesday. In fact, we could have some frost early Tuesday morning. Good news is the first half of next week does look dry.